Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look and also how I cooled my hair in this video. So I'm going to start with my eye makeup look first. I'm going to be using the OPV Beauty Imager palette. This palette has been with me forever, but I really like the shades in the palette, and as you guys can tell, the eyeshadows in the palette are really opaque, so I thought, you know what, why not, I might as well keep the palette. So I started with the brown shade as my transitional shade, the yeah, from the palette, and I blend that in and outward my inner corner, outer corner, I mean, and I use the pinkish shade from the palette as well. I use that as my lid shade, which I really like. The shade is really shimmery and very opaque as well, and there is minimal fallout. So I went in again with the red shade from the palette as my out for my outer V. Then I line my eyes with the Inglot eyeliner and the lashes. So that's it for the eyeshadow look. So moving on to the face, I use one of my favorite eye makeup primer, face primer, I mean, by Fenty Beauty. I really love this primer, and yeah, I applied one of my favorite foundation by Clinique. This foundation is really nice. You can actually go on top of it again, as I showed you guys in this video, to build the coverage. But if you want that everyday makeup look, you can also go for that. Just apply a little of the foundation and you'll be good to go. So I applied my concealer by elf. You guys already know that elf concealer is one of the amazing drugstore concealer that I like a lot. So yeah, I went in with that as well. It's very easy to compare it with the expensive one, so why not? So moving on, I applied my one and only favorite setting powder by Laura Mercier. Yeah, the shade is Honey. These are the new ones. I think I did a review about one of them previously. You can check my previous video to find out. Yeah, I was using the shade Honey in this video, and that's the only one and only setting powder that I use a lot in my videos. So if you're wondering which of them is my favorite, then yeah, this one and the Huda Beauty one, but I always use the Laura Mercier one. So if you've been watching my video, you would notice that. So yeah, everything else I did in this video is self-explanatory. So as I've always said, you don't have to use the same product that I use in this video to achieve the same look. You can actually use any product of your choice to achieve this makeup look. So yeah, and yeah, the last but not the least step is my lipstick. Oh no, I've been going for glossy lip lately, and my favorite gloss is by Fenty Beauty. Yeah, I use their gloss a lot. They are not tacky, they are not sticky, and they give that gorgeous glow to the lips, which I really love a lot. I'd actually check because of their gloss. I often wear glossy lips a lot. Like, I really like their lip product. So yeah, and for my hair, I'm moving on to hair. Oh dear, I've been wearing it, like, I had this wig for, I don't know, I wouldn't say, like 6 years now. I barely wear it. So it's one of the longest hair that I've got. I think it's 26 inches long. So I thought, you know what, this hair has been here forever, so I might as well use it to practice my cutting, my haircut. So I decided to cut some of the hair, like more or less like how do I put this, but yeah, just to frame my face basically. So yeah, it depends on you, depending on the look you're going for. You don't have to do this, but you know what, I was just experimenting with the hair because I've had it forever and it's one of my longest ones. So yeah, so I thought, you know what, let me just trim it and give it a different look apart from just wearing it straight and long. So yeah, I cut some of the hair off to frame my face. So yeah, so all I'm doing in this video is just curling the hair away from my face as always, and I use the clip to hold the curls up a bit, because sometimes you have to wait for the curls to cool down. That's the way your curls are gonna last longer. Otherwise, yeah, I'll show you the other side as well. You can tell the difference between, you know, keeping the curls up and also just curling it straight and dropping the curls, just like this one right here. You can tell that the difference is really, really clear. You see? Yeah. So that's it for the curling tutorial. Really, I didn't want to say it, but yeah, so that's it. I did a front bit as well, and that concludes the video. That concludes today's makeup and hair tutorial. So this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I really love the makeup look. I love the fact that it complements the hair so much. And a lot of you guys normally ask me like, Lillian, do you always plan your hair and makeup videos? I don't plan them, guys. I just do them. I just go with the flow. I don't plan them at all. So yeah, I just go with the flow. So yeah, that's the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, my Instagram handle is PrettyLilyD, and on TikTok as well is PrettyLilyD. Is actually one help on TikTok. Oh dear. So that's the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Thank you.